You know what today is, right? It's the day of the big gender reveal. Ima Jean had her baby. Hey, come on, guys, it's time for the gender reveal. Let's go. Who's ready for the gender reveal? All right, I think everybody's here. Let's go ahead and get it started. All eyes are on the cake. Will it be pink? Will it be blue? And, oh my goodness, we're seeing blue. It's a boy. Huck and Charlie. I think everyone's excited. It's a boy. Did you hear the exciting news? It's a boy. Ringo, did you hear what I said? It's a boy! It's a boy. Blue Animal Cracker Stand. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present Baby Harvey. Named after Hurricane Harvey, that horrific storm that flooded our property and claimed the lives of so many of our little animals. But Ima Jean, his mom, was a survivor, and our sanctuary is named after her in her honor.